Hey guys, it's me, obviously. And so today we are doing another card opening, but this is my Faction Wars. So yeah, hopefully we get something. I don't really. This will be good for fusing. That's nice. I like that. I have a lot of these, honestly. Outworld gear, nice. Oh, yes, sir. Yes. I got Triborg. I don't have Triborg. I don't have any Triborgs. What else we got here? All right, let's see what we got here. What do we have to offer? I don't have Tremor, but I can try to work for him. Oh my god, you guys got Triborg. Where's Triborg? Oh, I just saw him. Yo. I got zero Triborg. Yes. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here, guys. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.